आदलो नुवेंचो आमदार मिकी पाशेको हांणी आयज सांगलां आपल्याची उलोवणी युनायटेड गोवन्स डेमोक्रेटीक पार्टी कडेन चालू आसा आनी ती तर जायना जाल्यार आपूण एक नवो रिजनल फोर्स एक रिजनल पार्टी फॉर्म करता म्हूण.
Are you launching the separate regional party?
I will launch. I have no issue. I'm in a position today, and therefore I came openly beginning of the year. If my before the party UGDP, my request with them, and I discussed with, I will not associate with Congress. I will not associate with BJP. Hell no, any national party, and I don't want so-called like-minded people. I want people from certain area, certain constituencies, people to decide. This now Goa is such a small place. I know which are the people who want to do something for the state of Goa. At least I move around, and therefore it is my request. I should get support from the party which I'm going to join. Before the joining, these are my issue with the party where I am not going to associate. If this is not happening, I am not there.
Other than UGDP, any other party you are talking to?
See, I have option to form a new party. There are local parties which I don't want to name it, that I can take over also. That's not an issue. But I will not bend